Level up your screen time with the OSMO Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night. It's a great way for kids ages 5 to 10 to explore STEAM topics on their own or play together with friends and family. When you open up your kit, you'll find an OSMO basin reflector, setup instructions, and 3 plastic storage containers with the Tangram, numbers, and words pieces needed to play all 7 games. Follow the setup instructions from your kit to download and install the games. Next, place your tablet in the base and slide the red reflector on top. This reflector bends the tablet's camera to see what's happening on the table. Grab your pieces and now you're ready to play. The Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night is fantastic because it features 2 brand new collaborative games designed for group play. Guide a team of bees and collect honey in Math Buzz. This strategy game works with the numbers tiles and encourages cooperative play while practicing math. Unlock new levels and numbers on your way, but make sure to watch out for those annoying pests. Lettertopia is compatible with the words tiles and turns spelling into an exciting multiplayer board game. Arrange your letter tiles to match the path you want to take on the grid and celebrate together when you reach the goal zone. The OSMO Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night also includes all 5 games from the original Genius Kit, including Tangram, a puzzle game where players match the pieces on the table to the shapes on the screen, Words, a scramble to guess words and quickly spell them using the letters tiles, and Numbers, a fun challenge game that takes the pressure off of practicing basic counting, addition, and multiplication. This kit also comes with 2 games that only require pencil, paper, and other objects you may have around your house. Newton is a physics-based game where you guide falling balls into targeted zones using drawn lines or objects. And in Masterpiece, you can create anything from simple lines to beautiful detailed drawings. Digital learning in the real world is even more powerful when it's hands-on, with the OSMO Genius Starter Kit Plus Family Game Night. To learn more, check out the other great games and starter kits in OSMO's learning system.